is the mass make 16 is to 1 line multiplexer and 1 is to 16 line demultiplexer. Here we use the IC 74154 and here we use the IC 74150. These are the logic inputs and here is the output indicator. Here is the 4 selectable lines and 1 strobe input. Now, as per the manual, we follow the procedure. In this kit, we can make the multiplexer 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, 4 is to 1, 8 is to 1 and 16 is to 1. Depend on the selectable inputs. Here we give the logic to input of the IC, strobe, then all the selectable lines inputs from the logic inputs. Here is the multiplexer. Many inputs and one output, and output is the Y which is connected to the indicator, and here we have the 16's input and one output, but only one will transmit it to the output, depend on the selectable lines. As per the truth table, for working of IC, strobe should be 0. When all the S0 to S3, 4 is on 0, that means D0 line is selected. Switch on the supply, connect the power cord. Now the effect of the D0 is on the output indicator. When it gets 1, output is 1. When it is 0, the other lines effect not at the output. And when we choose the another second select inputs, that means S0 to 1, then D1 is select. That means D1 is working for the output indicator, and other logic inputs is not in work. And same thing, choose the inputs of the selectable lines and D1 to D0 to D16, get the output on indicators. Here is the truth table. Suppose all the S0 to S3 is 1, that means D15 is workable. As I have choose over here, all are 1, that means D15 is output, and other no data is changed with other inputs of the multiplexer. In next video, I will explain the demultiplexer. Now I have patched the demultiplexer. Here we have G1, G2 and selectable line S0 to S3, 4 selectable lines. For working of the IC, G2 always 0. And in this demultiplexer, 1 is input and 16 is the outputs. And using the selectable lines, choosing the selectable lines, the output will be depends on input. Hence, when we choose all are 0, that means Y0 is select, and the effect of the G1 on Y0. When S0 goes to 1, that means Y1 is selectable. And as per the truth table, you can select the inputs and get the data on y2, y15 depends on the G1. Switch on the instruments. Now y0 is 0 because S0 to S3 all are 0, so y0 is get the data as per the input here, and all are the no effect. Now S0 to 1. Now y1 is selected, and the effect of the G1 is on y1, and all when all are the 1, that means y15 is selectable. So that we can explain the demultiplexer, and other selectable units inputs you can get the output accordingly. Thank you.